Hey everyone! Recently on Mizkif's game show, Schooled, where he asks questions regarding various school topics ranging from 1st to 12th grade, there was a calculus question that the two remaining contestants got wrong. Today, I'll show you how to approach this problem in order to help anyone who is still wondering how to actually solve it. So the question is, given a function f of x is equal to negative 4x plus 3x minus 4 on the interval of negative 1 to 3, find the average rate of change. Now recall that the average value of a function f of x is equal to the area of that function divided by the length of the interval. In this case, we can interpret this as the integral from the bounds a to b of the function f of x all over b minus a, which is the length of the interval. Also recall that the rate of change of a function f of x is also the derivative of f of x. So in order to find the average rate of change of a function f of x, we would simply plug in the derivative for that function into this formula over here for the average value. And what we get is 1 over b minus a from the interval of a to b of the derivative of f of x dx. Now note that the fundamental theorem of calculus tells us that integration and differentiation are inverses of each other, so the two functions can actually cancel out. So we can cancel out the integral and the differentiation. So this will just become f of x evaluated at a and b all over b minus a. And this simplifies our question quite a bit here. Here we can see that the average rate of change is just the difference of the function f. I'll write that to be a little bit more clear. F of b minus f of a over b minus a. So now that we have this formula, we can just plug and chug what we're given in this question. So average rate of change of f of x equals negative 4x squared plus 3x minus 4, such that x is on the interval of negative 1 to 3, is just equal to f of 3 minus f of negative 1 over 3 minus negative 1. So once we plug in 3 for the function here, we get negative 4 times 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 4, all subtracted by negative 4 times negative 1 squared plus 3 times negative 1 minus 4, all over 3 minus negative 1, and this is just equal to 4. We can simplify this down even more. Negative 4 times 9, that's negative 36. This will just become 9. This is negative 4 minus, the negatives inside the square cancel, so they become negative 4 minus 3 minus 4, all over 4. This is just more mental math, so that's just negative 40 plus 9, that's negative 31, minus negative 8 minus 3, which is negative 11. The negative cancel out, and we get negative 20 over 4. And this simplifies down to negative 5. So I hope you enjoyed this video, hope you found it informative, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next one.